In this video, we are going to see how we can convert a sales order to a sales invoice. And not only that, we will also learn how we can offer some early settlement discount to our customers so that we can receive the cash from them earlier. So let's say that they have the default payment terms as 30 days, but if they settle within 10 days, they get a 2% discount. Let's see how we can incorporate all of this. Now, first of all, guys, if you want to make sure that all the entries properly reflect in the profit and loss account, that is, it should affect the revenue and the cost of goods sold automatically, we need to make some configurations. And for that, since we are selling the finished good items, we need to go to the inventory, click on products and click on products again. Here it is our finished goods, which is pens and shirts. We just want to make sure that we click on pens, we check the category because it is all linked to the category. If we check this internal link by just clicking on this arrow, we just make sure that in the income, it should be products sales, and under the expense account, it should be cost of goods sold. So that's very important. For all the finished goods, let's make sure the same is set for shirts. It's obviously will be the same because it is set in the category, and whatever you set in category will be common for all the finished goods. And that's a great part of it. You don't need to edit every single one of them. If you change the category ledgers, it will automatically change the ledgers for all the finished goods where it is attached. So if we click here, we can see it's the same. Now we head over to the process where we want to convert the sales order to a sales invoice. First of all, we want to go to the sales module, go to the orders, click on orders, and we want to locate that particular order. Scott Anderson, order number 24. This is the order. Let's open this up and click on create an invoice. That's simple. And we want to create a regular invoice. Yes, create a draft. Make sure to change the date to 26th of January. But payment terms is not 30 days. Let's click on search more. And we have different policies here. It's 2% 10 net 30. We can create a new one for that. It's already created in the previous transaction, but let's just create it. Let's make it different. 2% at 10 net 30. This means that we offered them 2% discount if they settled the dues within 10 days, even though they are allowed 30 days. So this is an early set. Just check this and they get 2% discount if paid within 10 days. It automatically picks this up on the early settlement. And that's the only setting that we need to do. Click on save, and that's pretty much it. Just confirm it once that everything is properly transferred from this sales order. Shirts is 3000 at the 400 rate, but we are supplying only 2800. So just make sure of that whenever it says convert the sales order to sales invoice, sometimes it doesn't mention that it's not a complete order that's being delivered. So we need to make sure of that. And for pens, we have the full quantity, so we have delivered that. Just make sure the total is correct. 2120 000. 2120 000 right here. You can see the sum at the bottom as you select both of these items. So it's a second confirmation basically that everything is good. Let's go to the journal items, and this is the journal entry. Account receivable is debit and against that sales is credit. Click on confirm, but we need to make sure of one more thing. That is, if we go back, click on accounting and click on reporting. In the profit and loss account, the cost of goods sold should increase. So if we click on this, we should find the entry of Mr. Scott Anderson on 26th of January right here, as you can see. So it's affecting the cost of goods sold automatically as well. And that is the perfect treatment on how you can convert the sales order to a sales invoice by offering the 2% discount for early settlement. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.